Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today, formula number 20, which is VLOOKUP. And we are happy to announce that this week, April 1st of 2023, we are going to conduct a part 2 VBA live session, which will be the basic session which is already conducted in 2 weeks back. So we have already mentioned that this will be going to be a bi-weekly webinar. This will be a bi-weekly webinar. If anyone is interested to know about VBA, please try to join in that one. Right? Okay. So now we are going into VLOOKUP formula. Before VLOOKUP, we just need to know what is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, which means vertical lookup. It will look up the values vertically from one sheet to other sheet. That's the concept of vertical lookup, VLOOKUP. So let's jump into the live example. Before going to video, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends. And here you can see this is the raw data I have taken, and this is content of order number, order date, region, city, category, and 8 more different columns as well. But here in the new sheet, suppose if I need only the city, date, and the category, and what is the total sales amount of that particular place. Okay, I need 3 4 5 columns as a output for this particular sheet. So what I can do is I can go with VLOOKUP of this order number. Ensure that you are taking a unique number for unique value for the base value, which is our syntax lookup value, and log the cell thrice so that the column will get fixed and the row number can change, comma. Go to the VLOOKUP and ensure that you are selecting the table array whichever you consider as the VLOOKUP value from the output sheet, and lock the whole table. And you can see, suppose if you are taking the value for the city, then it should be the table array should starts from D to I. Now I can able to see that I need order number, order date for that order number, so I can press 2, which in the column 2 comma 0. We can, if you press comma, this you look range lookup which says true match, true approximate or match, or false exact match. So true means 1 and false means 0. So I am giving the binary value 0 and press the enter. You will get the order date for the particular order date. Similarly, fill this one. Now you got the values filled over here. So now what you can do is, instead of typing the formula again VLOOKUP, just copy and paste this value and maximize it. And here this is the region, and go to VLOOKUP sheet and you can see 1 2 3. This is in the column index of 3, so just give it the 3 in the formula. Done. And same ways it works for city also. City is in column number 4, put it 4, enter, updated. And category is in column number 5, column number 5. This column index number is calculated from the base value. Suppose if I am taking it from the order date, my category value should be 3 and 4, and product should be 5. And now the total price will be column number 9. Enter. Yeah, as it is in a date format, I'm just changing it to general. Come down, press Ctrl D. This is a simple method we can use the VLOOKUP. Hope everyone have understood the VLOOKUP formula, how it works. There is other technique of multiple VLOOKUP. How to do that, we'll see in the upcoming advanced classes. Take care. Thank you. Jai Hind.